Project Watch. This is Sir B. Now, today I'm going to show you a rare example of a mating ritual between 87 and a Kerry. As you know, it's very common in nature that sometimes when the male of a species want to, mate with a female, they normally do something to impress the female. The peacock is known to open out them feathers and basically a woman them a look. Right, them a show off. They're like, look at me, look how magnificent my feathers are. Hopefully this impresses enough to give me some eagle eye. The same thing happened in the 87 world. The 87 also act like a peacock, sometime with a Glock. You see, in this video, we're not going to see 87 seeking validation from a Kerry. Yes, I'm going to post a clip that was posted by the Kerry on her page that has now been either deleted or she changed her name or something, but can't find it again. Right. But you're going to see, she basically do some things where not only are in danger the 87, but even her own life, when they treat gun like, say, a toy. You're also going to see a Glock with a switch, or as Irie 87 called it, a chip. We say the Glock chip. Right. Very, very dangerous weapon. Right. A Glock by itself is dangerous, but when time you add a simple device to it, it's even worse. 87s them realize this, and the whole of them now start to chip up them Glock. You're going to see a video of one. You're going to see the Kerry, a whole one. 87s can barely shoot semi-automatic. So imagine when time them get something like this. You see, might even hear about it now when you favorite song them and realize we are sing say when you hear man talk about the Glock chip or the Glock chip up. In our Uncle Sam place, this device will get you a whole different type of sentence. In our Uncle Sam place, there is separate charges for chipping a Glock. If them catch you with an illegal Glock, that's one thing. But if you go chip it, then them treat it like a machine gun. So I'm going to play the video right now, but pay close attention. You're going to see are two different weapons share hold on. But the second part of the video, that's when things get really, really interesting. Check this out.
We no fear them, you lay my why they living. We worry only at school.
And I like them are gonna give boy one shot. And you have fear.
So you see her waving around the weapon like it's a toy. But in the end, you hear her give her feedback on the weapon. She said she don't let them gun them because it only give boy one shot. That's how casual Kerry look on 87s murdering each other or murdering people. She no business one boy will get shot. As a matter of fact, she's actually disappointed. Say boy only get one shot. I'm gonna have to listen to it. Because I feel sorry for Kerry and Kerry feel sorry for Uno. Kerry actually upset. So you only get one shot. She said, what kind of gun this? Boy, I get only one shot at a time. I joke gun this. Because she ready for dash it way. She clearly don't realize that you gonna have a switch on it. It's cheap. So I don't know, one shot is a fire. So the 87 shot talk to him give her the gun because he's trying to impress this Kerry. So much so, that's when time she give her feedback on the weapon and she say, this a little sitting here. This can only shot boy one time. Right. You hear him say, Mama, what you ask? It's almost like him start to panic because the mating ritual is not going according to plan. He's supposed to show her the Glock and then the eagle eye is presented. But now Kerry say, a fool gun this. One shot. Right. Waste of time this. She's probably thinking to herself, are is the gun bigger than this? You see, the video cut off right when time it was about to get interesting. But I can imagine as something like that go through her mind. Right? She compare now to the rest of gun them as she see. She compare now to Aji's gun them. She compare to sci-fi gun them. She compare to bigger crime gun them. And she say, right, A baby gun this. The 87. Why try to get some eagle eye, jump up? No, let me show you this. He's trying to get validation. He's trying to prove himself, as I said. I mean, this youth is willing to impress the kerosene so much that him have her in him room. A squeeze trigger. Them type of behavior there is just asking for trouble. But again, we're talking about 87 and kerosene. If something was to happen, let's just say the story where they put in the papers will be completely different from the reality. You might be asking yourself, why would an 87 need to prove himself like kerosene? Well, that's how they win them over. As Mr. It's like a peacock trying to impress a potential mate. And the same thing happened with 87 and kerosene. 87 is trying to impress kerosene so much that they will confess to murders just to prove themselves like kerosene and get some eagle eye. Remember the video I post? We usually talk. And he might say, him see a washman clothes and him start talk about, you know, one time me shot so and so with the AK and that. If you really want to drop anti-gang or any of your favorite, 87 them, you see somebody said to me right now, how would you improve the intelligence gathering apparatus of the JCF? It was completely up to me. You are now in charge of collecting intel with JCF. The first thing I would do is utilize undercover kerosene. If you want to sing 87s, all you have to do is send some females around them and then make the females say these words. And I quote, "You never kill nobody yet." End quote. Me say if you want intel, if JCF want intel, if you want 87, confess their crimes, get it on tape, and then carry go anti-gang. Trial and sing, man. Just make her undercover police officer or even a civilian female. Just make her go around at 87 and say these words. Again, I quote, "You never kill nobody yet," end quote. Them words there make a 87 lose his mind completely. Him start tell about every shooting he go on. Because they have to prove themselves. And to prove themselves, they will confess to anything. I'm telling you, this is the formula. Just make a kerosene. Even if it's an undercover kerosene, just challenge them badness. You don't want to do people your name. Just use them thing and bruise them 87 ego and watch them start talk. Watch them start confess. You won't even need no C4 on the bunker again. You won't even need no more star witness. They don't have one star witness. So even though this video is short, it look like this youth I try to get some eagle eye. But before, he must first prove his credential. You see, in the end, it worked out great for Kerry. Because the 87 will likely die or go jail for a very long time, and then she will just replace him with another one until her age starts to get close to falling off the calendar. Then you go hear, out of nowhere, she's ready for a soft life. All of a sudden, you see hashtag put up, mature now. Hashtag stronger now. Hashtag smarter now. Hashtag I now know my worth. All these hashtags mean one thing. It's Carlton time to shine. When it's gonna be my time to shine? Remember that song there? That's Carlton's signal. Remember when time Batman put out the symbol of the sky? That's the symbol. Carlton. Your time now. That's when Carlton get the privilege of raising sci-fi youth then. And in the end, love wins. Because all's well that ends well. I guess. So this video is short, but it's very telling. Enough of your favorite 87 then. Man who have notorious reputation in the streets. When them run kerosene, them a try them hardest to get validation, be impressed. Because one of the biggest acidic perks that comes with being 87 and have double pay name is that kerosene flop here. But the most attractive kerosene, yet for them pick off the litter. Them can say, what about him? He only have 2 duppy. Right? He only have 3. Right? He never kill a police head. He never go jail. Them can pick and choose. It might sound crazy. Right? You might think to yourself, well, after if somebody is a killer, they don't business about something as frivolous as that. Are you sure? Alright. Anyway, Patreon Squad, look up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know more life. Ultra Squad, see you certainly. Bless.